Hi everyone. Welcome to Apache Spark Deep Learning Advanced Recipes by Ahmed Sharif and Amrith Ravindra, a video course by Pact Publishing. I'm Todd Heppenstall and I'll be the voiceover artist for this course. Ahmed Sharif is a data scientist who has been working with data in various roles since 2005. He started off with BI solutions and transitioned to data science in 2013. In 2016, he obtained a Master's in Predictive Analytics from Northwestern University, where he studied the science and application of ML and predictive modeling using both Python and R. Lately, he has been developing ML and deep learning solutions on the cloud using Azure. In 2016, he published his first book, Practical Business Intelligence. He currently works as a technology solution professional in data and AI for Microsoft. Amrith Ravindra is a machine learning enthusiast who holds degrees in electrical and industrial engineering. While pursuing his master's, he dove deeper into the world of ML and developed a love for data science. Graduate-level courses in engineering gave him the mathematical background to launch himself into a career in ML. Let's take a look at what we've got in store. Section 1, Using LSTMs in Generative Networks, gives a hands-on approach to using novels or large text corpora as input data to define and train an LSTM model, while also using the trained model to generate its own output sequences. Section 2, Real Estate Value Prediction using XGBoost, focuses on using the Kings County house sales dataset to train a simple linear model, and uses it to predict house prices before diving into a slightly more complicated model to do the same and improve prediction accuracy. Section 3, Face Recognition using Deep Convolutional Networks, utilizes the MIT-CBCL dataset of facial images of 10 different subjects to train and test a deep convolutional neural network model. Section 4, Natural Creating and Visualizing Word Vectors using Word2Vec, focuses on the importance of vectors in machine learning, and also walks users through how to utilize Google's Word2Vec model to train a different model and visualize word vectors generated from novels. Section 5, Creating a Movie Recommendation Engine with Keras, focuses on building a movie recommendation engine for users using the deep learning library Keras. These would be the prerequisites of the course. Take a good look. This course takes you through a number of practical solutions covering a wide range of topics you need to know about Apache Spark Deep Learning Advanced Recipes. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey.